Hey guys, this is Logan Gacha World Official here, and a quick tutorial, because my other 3 attempts failed, on how to make a website 100% free and able to download stuff without being too big of a download. Well, if it's massive download, but look, all I have to do is just click download Windows for my Gacha Club Plus. It either isn't going to work the first time, or you might have to just double click it. It's just not working now, because, well, I must have done something. Might have downloaded it, might have stopped doing it. So basically it might be because you might just have to do it once. Just go into this nice URL. This was 100% created free. Download blocked, I don't know why. Allow downloads from this website. Download, why is it getting blocked? Always allow downloads. Okay, wait a second. I just want to make sure I'm able to accept downloads. Yeah, okay. Why is the downloads getting blocked? But for you guys, it will work. It will work. I think I must have done something to it. But anyway, how I actually do this, right? Is go to Weebly, just create an account. Everybody knows how to do that. And just go to your editor, obviously, like most people do. If you're watching this tutorial, you should know what the heck Weebly is. But you just need Weebly, and like most people don't know how to do. Use Freenom. People think it's impossible. There's ways. I'll just look it up. It's a quick tutorial. Sign in. I'm just gonna use my actual account. I'm just gonna use sign in. This is not my full account. This is only one of my accounts, which actually hosts this URL. So this is what you want to do. Basically, just get your own. Just look up a tutorial on how to use Freenom. Just get your own URL. forward it. It's pretty easy crap. But section is people don't understand. How do you download stuff from this? People think it's impossible. This is a Dropbox link. But basically how you do it is you go into your Dropbox.com, home, you'll see all your files if you already have an account. Gacha Club Plus. It's a nice zip. All you have to do to actually get it is just make sure you have members only. No. You actually want to go to here. No, I meant here. And you want to click this. And then you want to be able to share. Anyone with link. You can click anyone with link. Operation off, disable downloads. Off. Make sure all these are off, save. And that's it. After that, once that's done, you just want to click copy share link. But as soon as you paste this in, it's gonna pop you up with some random URL, and it won't actually let you download it. That is kind of a problem. How you actually fix that is just replace this 0 with a 1. I don't understand it, but it thinks it's an automatic download. So it just downloads it. So all you have to do actually is just go in here on link to say, right, link, go to your website URL, put this, make sure open new window is off, and then literally just go back, click off it, publish, and you are done. You have a actual loading working thing. And if you want to test it, go to your URL you should have created, and yeah, you should have this. My download is getting blocked because I blocked it for some reason. I don't know why. I thought I didn't mean to block it. Refuse to connect. And if it does refuse to connect, there is another way to do it. It's a really simple one. You want to go to Dropbox, and you want to click Google Drive direct link. I did spell that wrong. And then you want to click this little thing right here, sync with tech. paste in your URL with the 0, generate. It's literally just going to do this exact thing. Copy the 1, and just in case, go ahead to your Windows, link it. What's that URL? Make sure it's that. Open a new window off. See, I might open it in a new window, make it work better. Exit off, publish, make sure it works. And basically just, as soon as this publishes, just keep reloading, just so it makes sure it got it. It's gonna open another link, it's gonna download, and that's it. And it doesn't matter because it's opening in a different area. It's not actually, downloading the file in the same area. Just in case you accidentally blocked it. No, it can't be blocked. No, basically, that's pretty much the entire tutorial. I hope you liked, and please like and subscribe, and comment if you have any more issues, or any issues at all with Weebly. It's honestly pretty easy to do all this. I don't actually normally just use website editors. Normally I just use actually, good, like using straight HTML, which I have some tutorials which nobody ever freaking watched, but they're up there. Also, if you want to go to this website, it's going to stay up, because this is the actual first release of Gacha Club Plus. I'm going to show you actually how to download it. So if you click download with Windows, it's going to have some save files already created in it as templates and stuff for you. But just click it, you let it download. I'll be right back once it's done downloading. Actually, never mind, I actually have the file, so I'm just going to stop this. How you actually do it, you take your little file, you click here, you're going to have to export, you just click extract files, it's going to extract it, it's going to go, I'm just going to click that, it's going to find out it already exists, it's going to replace it, because it already exists there, but I'm actually just going to show you this folder. Why is Blender in there? Well, I guess you guys got a free version of Blender in there too, whatever. But, this is a little cool little thing that I just put in here as a little nod to what you can possibly create in this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful version of Gacha. It's this beautiful character. It's like a summer character you can create with a new tank top or shirt or crop top. However you guys want to look at it as. You just click this and you have your entire game up. You can reset the data if you like. And yeah, that's it. Really it. See, game frame dev. This is the normal stuff that I've been posting. 1.0.1. Now, actually, it doesn't have any of the characters. It's fully reset for you. So, yeah. Except I did do this in this character. I showed you can fix these characters if you like with these different style looking shirts that are pretty much the exact same. And yeah, so that's pretty much pretty cool. And yeah, you can just reset data here if you like, but I'm not going to be doing that. So there you go. You guys can just play around with that. It's a beautiful little creation I made. It's actually going to become a big project, massive project. And then if you guys, I know you guys don't really like Gacha Club that much, I will actually do a Gacha Life Plus. Same aesthetic as everything else. And yeah, so I just want to wish you guys a happy Merry Christmas. And this video might actually come up on 2 days before Christmas. Yeah, well, at night. Because, yeah. So, have a Merry Christmas, depending on when you're seeing this. And, have a Happy New Year, I guess. So, bye. Hopefully I see you in the next video. Peace.